Once upon a time, in a small village far away, there lived a humble man named Jacob, his wife Sarah, and their two children, Emily and Thomas. Despite their love for each other, the family struggled to make ends meet. Jacob worked tirelessly as a handyman, while Sarah poured her heart into sewing and crafting to supplement their income. But no matter how hard they worked, money was always tight, and they often went without basic necessities. One day, while repairing a neighbor's broken radio, Jacob had a stroke of genius. Instead of simply fixing it, he decided to upgrade it with spare parts he had lying around. Using his ingenuity and resourcefulness, Jacob transformed the old radio into a state-of-the-art music player, complete with Bluetooth connectivity and LED lights. Excited by his creation, Jacob shared it with his family. Emily and Thomas danced around the room to the music, while Sarah beamed with pride at her husband's ingenuity. Inspired by his success, Jacob began experimenting with other household items, turning them into innovative tech products. But their journey was far from easy. They faced skepticism and financial setbacks along the way, but Jacob's determination never wavered. He knew that he was onto something special, something that could change their lives forever. Then, disaster struck. A fire ravaged their workshop, destroying months of hard work in a matter of minutes. Devastated and heartbroken, Jacob struggled to pick up the pieces. But amidst the devastation, Jacob found their first creation, the upgraded radio, miraculously intact. It was a sign, a symbol of hope in their darkest hour. With renewed determination, Jacob and Sarah rebuilt their workshop from the ground up. They worked day and night, fueled by a burning desire to succeed against all odds. Slowly but surely, Jacob's creations gained attention. Orders poured in, and their workshop thrived once more. They had turned their dreams into reality, against all odds. Their journey taught them the power of resilience and perseverance. Through hard work and determination, they transformed their lives from struggling to thriving. And as they looked around at their thriving business and happy family, Jacob and Sarah knew that together, they had overcome the odds and achieved their dreams. And so, in the village where dreams were born and miracles happened, Jacob and his family lived happily ever after.